Alright, in this video I will be tying the Silver Yank. This fly is part of the Pfeiffer collection. In the vise I have a size 6 Mustad 3366A. I'll be tying this fly with black uni thread and 6/0. Go ahead and lay a base of thread. Take our thread down to the barb and snip away our excess, and then bring our thread back into our tie end point. For the body, I'm going to be using some silver tinsel, and I'm just going to fold that in half around my thread. And capture it, and then bring my thread back down to the barb. And back up to our tie-in point. And then I just like to touch the thread wraps, the little Sally Hansons, before we wrap our body. That'll just help strengthen the tinsel. Now we'll just go ahead and start wrapping our body. And capture with our thread. And then I'm just going to touch the body again with some Sally Hansons to protect it. And we'll let that dry. Alright, for our wing, it calls just for some red hackle fiber, so I'm going to use a nice webby hackle and just strip away a section of tips about like that. It's about like that. And you want the wing to be about the length of the body. Pretty good. Let's snip away our excess. And on hackle fiber wings, I always like to lift the wing and give a wrap or two underneath it just to help get the wing to stand a little better. Something like that. And then we'll just go ahead and build up a head. pretty good. Whip finish. Just snip away our thread and then just touch those thread wraps with the little Sally Hansen's. And that is the Silver Yank. Super simple fly to tie. You should fish it with 3 3/8 inch diameter beads in front of it, placed red, yellow, and red. Enjoy.